This video is going to show you how to create your general education charts. So here we are in the course, weeks 4 and 5, and this is the page that you're looking at. What are your charts? What's the point of them again? Your general education's guidelines and your chart. And I'm actually going to click on that so that we can look at it because the guidelines have changed since this course was developed, so I will be updating it. It does say that right here, associate's degrees need a minimum of 21 gen ed credits. That has changed. It is now 30, so I'll be fixing this. It also says that math and basic communication are required for bachelor's degrees and not associates, but they are now required for both bachelor's and associates. So everyone has to do math and basic communication, and everyone has to do 30 general education credits. Everyone also needs to have at least 3 credits in each of these areas. Up to this point, there are a few classes like voter math, which is just a 2-credit class, and proposal writing, which is a 2-credit basic communication class that would meet these areas, but that is no longer. It has to be a minimum of 3 credits. So anyway, this part of the document discusses what you're looking at on your degree planner, and I'll be showing you that in a minute anyway. So we're going to go back to the charts so I can discuss how to create your charts. So you're going to go down here to sample charts and click on it, and then you want to get to sample general education chart, and we want to open it. Sorry about the wait here. I should be opening up my chart. And then we're going to be also switching screens to look at a sample degree plan because you also need to be able to use your degree planner to work your chart. Something does not want to come up here. Okay, here we are. The chart came up. So this is the sample chart, and you see I've actually filled it out as a sample, but this would actually be blank for you. There are sample charts to look at. Let me minimize this. Go back to week 4 and 5. Blank charts for your use in this section. So sorry about that, I opened the wrong one. Blank gen education chart. So basically I'm going to leave this one for right now just because it's going to be a pain to open it up again. You can just copy and paste the chart, the blank chart. Just copy it like this. Click copy, get a new document, open it, click paste, and voila, there's the chart. And when you save, because this is another issue that I have, when you save and you click the save button, I would like you to save your documents with your last name first. So right here it's coming up as the default, and that's not what I want. I actually want your last name, so in this case it's Cousin O, and then the section that you are in. So for this present section we are in May 2014 P&F, and then this is the charts document. So that's what I should see when you email me your document or when you upload it into the course. This is how yours should be saved, with your last name, your section, your course, and the assignment. Okay, I'm not going to save this because I don't really need it. And now we're going to go to the degree planner so you can see how you'll fill this in. You may not have all of these areas filled in, so we only need the ones that you have met. So I'm going to go to a sample degree plan. This is my Susie sample. Here's her degree plan. And again, you're looking at this and you see all these numbers after these courses. If you are looking at transferred work, for example, if I had courses here from the University of Albany and there were no numbers after those courses, you can't look at the title and decide that it meets general education. I will have already decided that for you. So if that's not up here, then if there's no number after a course, then that course does not meet general education. So you will open up your degree plan, you will go into general education document and click the edit button. Now you can see all of the areas that you have met, and you can tell what areas you've met by these check mark boxes down here. And if it's check marked, that means it's fully met. If you look over here and it says areas complete and it's anything more than 7, 7 or more, it will say area requirement met. And then total credits, we're at 32, so again, anything over 30 and you're safe. Now notice here with this global history, it shows that it partially meets Western Civ, but because we have global history to the 15th century and global history from the 15th century, two partials equal a full, so that area is fully met. So this is what this person has met on the degree plan. So when I go into this sample, when I'm going into the general education chart, if this were blank, again, Children's Lit Advanced, that's the course right here, and that is also the course that happens to be on Susie Samples. This one for social sciences has contemporary society. But if you look here, human development meets that. So basically, you're using your blank chart and you're using this page to copy the course and the area it meets onto the document. Human development meets social science. That's where the F is. Human nutrition meets natural science. Discovering math meets math. So all of the courses that appear here on your degree plan, I should see in that chart.